Hey everyone, today we're breaking down browser cookies, these little pieces of data that help websites remember stuff about you. Let's start simple. Right now on screen, you've got a browser with its own little cookie storage area. Imagine you're visiting a site for the first time. Over here, we've got the browser on one side, the server on the other, like two friends chatting. The browser asks for the login page, server sends it back, no problem. But at this point, the server doesn't remember anything personal about you. Now you log in. The browser sends your credentials, and the server goes, all right, you're good. Along with the response, it tells the browser, hey, store this new cookie called sessionId. Boom, there it is in storage. Notice how it's shown as locked? That's on purpose. It means page scripts can't mess with it directly. It's protected. On the server side, that sessionId links straight back to your active session, so the server now knows exactly who you are. Fast forward, you close the tab and come back later to the home page. Watch what happens. The browser automatically attaches that sessionId to the request without you doing anything. Server sees it, checks its records, and sends back the home page with you already logged in. No need to sign in again. That's the magic. You're recognized instantly. What about opening a new tab? Let's try it. Second tab, same site. Key thing here, cookie storage is shared across all tabs in the browser for that site, so the new tab already has the sessionId ready to go. It sends it automatically, server responds normally, and you're still logged in. Same deal if you just refresh. Cookies stick around and get reused, keeping you signed in seamlessly. Now, let's talk about what the website page itself can actually see. We've still got that storage view. Regular theme cookie is visible, but the locked sessionId? Nope. When the page's scripts try to read cookies, they only get the unprotected ones, like theme equals dark. The sessionId stays hidden from them. Super important. The browser still sends it to the server when needed, but the page can't peek at it. This keeps sensitive login stuff safe from sneaky scripts. For everyday preferences that aren't super sensitive, cookies are perfect for quick actions. Watch this flow. The page reads the current readable cookies, then it saves a new preference with a short time limit, say about an hour, so it shows up with an expiration. Change the preference from dark to light, the stored value updates instantly. Want to clear it? Poof, it's gone from the list. You'll also see two main flavors here. Some cookies vanish when you close the browser entirely, like temporary notes. Others stick around for a set time, even if you restart everything, so your preferences survive longer. Wrapping up with some practical best practices, think of these as simple rules of thumb. Keep those login-related cookies protected and only send them over secure connections. Never stash secrets in cookies that pages can read. Keep cookies small and focused. Only apply them where needed on the site. Set expiration times on purpose, not randomly, and always use secure connections. Bottom line, cookies are awesome for remembering preferences or keeping you logged in, but it all comes down to handling them right. Protect the sensitive stuff, keep the simple stuff lightweight. That's how websites feel personal without being risky. Hope that cleared things up. Let me know in the comments if you've got questions. See you in the next one.